Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a pour today, but first I want to share with you the painting I finished. I told you about. I was going to be doing this commission piece of a clouded leopard on a poured background, a flip cup background. So this is what I came up with, and I'm going to say I think it's some of my finest work. I'm very pleased with the way it came out. I just love the 3D look of their coat. It's something that I was very pleased to be able to duplicate that, I think. So anyway, that will be going off to the commissioner, Jean, in Colorado very soon. So that's that. Now today, I am kind of experimenting. As you know, I'm trying to use up my paints and my pouring mediums. I had a little bit of this apple barrel and a little bit of Artist Loft pouring medium, and I combined them together, and that's my pouring medium for today. I actually did a painting yesterday with that, and I didn't love it. I don't know that I'll show it to you, but I might put it up at a later date. But I think it was my weird color choices that put me off on it. So today I'm just going to be using a 12 by 12. And, oh, I forgot that light. My colors are all mixes, but not very complicated. This was yellow ochre, and I added gold to it to jazz it up a little bit. This was pearl papaya by Arteza, but it was, I didn't have enough, so I added a little bit of vermilion to it, and now I've got a wonderful orange. I wanted copper. I didn't have any copper, so I mixed copper with burnt sienna, a bit of vermilion, and gold, and I actually like this quite a bit. And then I found a tube of copper, but it was lighter than this, and I'm actually preferring this color, so I'm happy with that. And then I've got black. Now, this isn't just black, it's got other things in it, little leftovers, maybe some Phthalo Blue, some Payne's gray, and gold, I think even. When I brush paint, I never use black straight out of the tube. I always mix it with something. It still will look black, but it just adds a little bit of richness to it. And I thought I would use, apply that same principle to my fluid art as well. So, rarely will I use straight black. So let's see. I think this is the order I want to have them in. Starting with the black. So I have kind of fall colors here. I prefer a paper cup that I can squeeze into a little spout, but I didn't have any this size. So do the best we can with this. I'm going to do a traveling ring pour, I believe. Yeah, I'll start up here. It's really, the colors are really mixing. It was so nice and crisp there. I should have started that in the middle. Learn from my mistakes, my friends. I'll be able to save some of it, but a lot of it's gonna disappear. Although this is interesting, what I'm looking at here. I like the green that occurred, the mixing of the black and that yellow ochre. A little hint of summer left in this autumn pour. Okay. Well, thankfully, I'll be able to save that. That's a very interesting area. And I like this kind of pleat look there. Huh. Might as well dump out the rest of this to use as a flow extender. It's my least favorite color of all of them. I got these wonderful little spoons at the yogurt shop, and I realized they're silicone, and they would make great mixing tools, and then I don't have to keep buying wooden sticks. Okay, well, this is where I really want it because I like that. If I have anything left in these other cups I can add. It's all going to go away, this flow extender business. It's just to help this part move over the canvas and prevent it from rolling over on itself too much. So here we go. I'm going to bring this up now to have you take a closer look because it's pretty wonderful right now. Okay, here we go. As usual, I'm just going to get kind of close to the edges, but not worry about going over so much. Although on a small canvas like this, it's easy to do. And then I'll look at composition. I really like that area. I don't want to lose too much of it. There you go, and come back. Good, good. Way to the paint right here so I can push that orange corner off and then pull back. And now, size up the composition. I have these corners too. Lots of interesting pleating going on there, and I still very much like that. Yeah, I think I just need to cover these and I might be happy. Find the weight of the paint and then send it to what you need to push off. Alrighty. All right, now I'm all covered. Let's size this thing up. I think I like it. I'm happy with the movement, and yet I continue to mess with it. Just want to get a little more curvature. Yeah, I think it's fun. That's the orientation I was looking at it in, and I think that's probably my preferred. Sides are very interesting. I have one little bare corner here. I'll paint solid black when it's dry. I'm happy with it. Let me bring you in for a closer look. I mixed these paints 2 to 1 with that pouring medium. And the pouring medium, as I said, was a combination of Apple Barrel and Artist Loft, probably about equal parts. Can't tell you exactly, but I did mix it 2 to 1 and added a little bit of water to thin. Now through the camera here, it brightens things up. This is very much copper, not that sickly looking pink that I'm seeing. But here, I think that part is quite fascinating. I like that. And here, the way the black is kind of poking through the copper. And there's the green that was created by the black and yellow ochre mixing. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I hope you like it, my friends. And thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time.